Hey guys, I hope you're having a good summer. Wanted to keep you guys up to date. We're still going to be making some videos moving forward this summer. We've been pretty busy, and I've been super busy with this little one. We've got some new content coming up this summer. I've got some DIY stuff, and I've got some new gear video that me and Lysol are going to show you. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Everything is perfect. We, of course, with the weather being good this summer, in the Midwest, other than some thunderstorms, we've been out in the woods. We've been doing stuff, spending time with our families, that sort of thing. And then we had picked up this little lab golden mix pup. So I have definitely had my hands full. She is wearing me out, but we are going to we're going to start back up here soon. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I've got some DIY stuff that I'm going to be doing for my gear set with some Cuban that I'm going to go through, and then I know Lysol's got some new gear coming up too as well. So the summer's been pretty full. We're gonna get back at it though here pretty soon. But just wanted to give you guys an update. Hope you guys are having a good summer, and we will be uploading some videos shortly. Thanks again, guys. Bye.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on.
Here we go.